Debbie Hill here. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. I wanted to share with you all about some of the Thieves products, some of the new ones, some of the older ones. I absolutely love the products. I've been using them 12 years since I started Young Living. I'm a silver with Young Living, and they are just absolutely fabulous. I've been handing it out samples, and I'll show you how I do that. So let's get started. Here's our Thieves Cleaner, right? This is how it's looked in the past, or at least past couple of years, and this is our new bottle of Thieves Cleaner, and they actually dropped the price by $1. Even though it's not full PV anymore, you can still get it using your loyalty points, so that's exciting. And if you look on the back of the bottle, you'll see there's a little QR code, and that takes you to a fabulous video. So if you haven't seen it yet, please check it out. One of my last presentations, I shared that with you, but I'm not going to take the time to do that now. Thieves Cleaner, I use this for everything in my home, right? Floors, mirrors, counters, right? You all know how to use this. And you know this all has no junk in it, right? You could spray this in your mouth and you'd be totally fine. This is what I do. I usually take the old bottles, and I haven't tried it with the new one yet. We'll see how that works. But I get the tops. I can buy them on Amazon. You can buy a bag of them, like 12 of them. They're black, actually. They look nicer than this one. This one is from a quart from Dollar Tree, and I just stick it right on top. So I put a capful into my bottle here, and this is my cleaner. So this lives in my kitchen. I save all the bottles. So I have one in every shower. It fits perfect in the cup holder in the car. So this travels with me in the car. So if I go to the gym, I bring this into the gym with me. I don't use their junky toxic spray there. This is like amazing stuff, right? I actually have been adding a little of the fruit wash to it. I'll give you a little tip on that shortly, just because why not, right? That's the Thieves Cleaner. And then what I do with it is I make it up in a quart, and then I split it up once it's broken down, and I put it into these little bottles. And I created a little label, and it just says chemical-free, all-purpose cleaner, and learn more. And I put my phone number on there that leads to my project broadcast, or they've got the QR code, and they can scan that, and then it takes them to learn more about the cleaner. So I hand these out like candy. The big thing is you got to make sure when you hand this out that you say, hey, let me have your contact info. Don't forget to do that if you happen to choose to do what I do. But these travel with me. Always have one in my purse. They're in the car. When I go on an airplane, they're in my backpack to hand out to whoever I may meet. I cannot tell you how many people I have enrolled with this little bottle. So Thieves Cleaner is the bomb, right? Now I'm going to move on to our fruit wash. I have to tell you, I am very frugal. And when I first heard the price, I was like, are you kidding me? Oh, that you only use 2 tablespoons to a gallon of water. I was amazed. So it's like, who uses a whole gallon of water to clean your fruit, right? So I figured out how much. I believe it's a half of a teaspoon per quart. And I have a glass bottle. So I mix it up and I put it in this bottle. Already, this lives underneath my sink, right? It's got a nice little pourer. And then from there, I actually take a smaller bottle and I put some in here. So this lives on my counter. So if I'm gonna have an apple, I'm gonna slice an avocado or a few little tomatoes in my salad, I will spray avocado, the apple, the little tomatoes, let it sit for a while, and then I rinse it. So this lives on my counter. If I'm gonna do like blueberries or strawberries or, you know, a lot of bulky stuff, I'll pour this into my Pyrex and let it sit for a while and then rinse. So it's ready to go. It just makes life easy. Steps are like quick and easy. I don't have to like set it all up. That's my fruit wash. I was telling you earlier, I put this a little bit inside my Thieves Cleaner. Somebody I know said their dog made an absolute mess on their rug and they couldn't get it out. And they used some of the fruit wash on it, and because it has enzymes in it, it actually helped lift the stain and it cleaned it. So it's like, oh, you know what? Why not throw it in there? With the fruit wash, I heard about a thing called the broccoli challenge. So I did a broccoli challenge. I'm gonna just show you the video. So check this out. Oh my God, look at the color. Is that nuts? It's crazy. Debbie Hill here, and I am going to do the broccoli challenge. So I am going to use the Thieves fruit and veggie wash, a cap of vinegar, and then just plain old water in this bowl, and let's see what happens. This is the one with just water. It's still got that waxy film on it, so that's not looking so happy. This is plain water, this is vinegar. Looking better. Looks like it's got like a little film on it still. This is the one from the fruit and veggie wash, and this is the one from water. So look, oh my God, look at the color. Is that nuts? That's crazy. Look how green that is. Look at that, there you go. You can see right there, it's insane. And this is cleaned with vinegar. This is cleaned with the fruit and veggie wash. I'm sold. What about you? So wasn't that cool? I was blown away on how that cleaned the broccoli. So now they just think about all the products, all the food you eat, and what it looks like, not just broccoli. I'm gonna move on. Let's talk about our Thieves kitchen and bath scrub. Wish I would have filmed when I first got this. I was like, oh, let me play. So in our bathroom, we have that mica. When we moved in 27 years ago, this was before I even knew Young Living, my husband was burning incense over the bathroom sink, and it created like a little red dot on the edge when it like kind of burnt into the mica. It has been there for 26 years. Nothing would take it off. And I thought, let me try this. I take a little of this, I put it on, gone. I was like, oh my God, I should have videotaped this. So, and of course it was there for 26 years and it's not there anymore, so I can't show it to you, but I was blown away. This took it off, and no other chemical junk that I used to use before Young Living ever took it off. Give this a shot. My daughter loves to clean her tub, not that she loves to clean her tub, but she loves to use this to clean her tub. And what she does is she kind of makes a paste with it, with the Thieves cleaner, and then she lets it sit. And then she rinses it, and she sees that it really cleans even better than just like doing it a wham bam, thank you ma'am kind of a thing. I am gonna show you, I left my sink to get a little yucky, and I'm gonna show you how nice it shines. We're gonna just do a little bit of this. I'm gonna give it a little spray with my Thieves cleaner. I think you can see right there how much shinier and better that looks, right? Give this a shot. Really looks like it needs some help. No chemicals. Remember, all these products do not have any junk in them. Do you see that one spot I just cleaned? I mean, I had to use a little elbow grease, but wow, what a difference. Think how this whole pan is gonna look. Look how much better that is. And there we go. All clean. You can clean everything. Toilets, tubs, sinks, stainless steel, kitchen counters, pots, pans, ovens, you name it. It's amazing stuff, and it's not gonna hurt you or anybody else. It has no chemicals in it. If you go onto youngliving.com and go to the digital library, there's a whole presentation all about all the Thieves products. And there's also a video of Ed Daly doing that presentation. But they're gonna, on that one, they're gonna go into like all the what it doesn't have in it and what it does have in it and all the chemical and the research behind it. I'm not a research girl, I have to tell you, but I can tell you the stuff works, and that's what works for me. If you are interested in the science and what's in it and what's not in it, go check that out. But I can tell you this stuff is amazing and I love it. So I'm gonna move on because my time is running out. Our dish soap, I put it in my little squirty guy, and I add water to this, and that's what I use in my kitchen. Sometimes add like lemongrass or some other oils to it. I love this stuff too. Amazing, amazing. The new dishwasher soap came out. I have not gotten it yet. The dishwasher pods, and I hear it's new and improved. I have not tried it yet, but you definitely want to check that out. I will too. Move on from the kitchen stuff to the bathroom. Well, we talked about the bathroom stuff with the scrub, but for hygiene, I love the toothpaste. My absolute favorite has been for years the Aroma Bright toothpaste. I love the way my teeth feel. It's just great stuff. And there's no fluoride, there's no junk in this stuff. The whole family's favorite. Then I heard about Denturum Plus. This has got a little bit of a different consistency. It's more like a baking soda. Still love it. Really good. So I keep one in one bathroom and one in the other, and I kind of switch off. The whitening is supposed to be amazing. I have not tried it, but I know a gal that has used it, and she went to the dentist, and the dentist said, oh, are you using those whitening strips? And she said, no, I'm using Thieves whitening toothpaste. And then there's the Dentarome Ultra. Now this is a lot thicker, but what I use this for, you may think I'm nuts, but this I use for my deodorant. So what I do when I travel, I put it in a little thing like this, a repurposed little jar, and I have it labeled, and I have it in there, and I just stick my little finger in it, do a little of this, and I've got my deodorant. This is my deodorant that I use. If I'm traveling, like I went away for just a couple of days and I didn't want to bring my whole tube of toothpaste because I was just doing a carry-on. So I just squirt some of my toothpaste into an empty little jar, and this is what I used my toothpaste when I was traveling. That works great. So these are hopefully little tips that you will think about using yourself. Again, I mentioned earlier, I believe that I am very frugal. So you take your tube of toothpaste and you cut it, and there's all kinds of toothpaste left inside there. You put it in a bag so that it doesn't dry out. And I get probably close to 2 weeks worth of toothpaste out of my empty tubes. My daughter's done. I said, give it to me, and I finish it up this way. Love, 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 love the toothpaste. And my daughter used to have sleepovers when she was younger. All the girls would want to use her toothpaste. I also love the mouthwash. This stuff is amazing. It's super strong. So if you haven't tried it yet, you might want to cut it a little bit because it's really, really powerful, and it's like almost overwhelming. I'm so used to it, I just use it straight. But when you first get started, you may want to do that. So that's our mouthwash. Thieves hand soap. So I had some friends over the other night. She had never been in my home, and she used the bathroom, and she came out and she said, I love that soap. That is great. How do I get my hands on this? Thieves hand soap. It's this foamy one, so you can get the refill bottle too. So it's very economical and fabulous for you. I'm going to move on to those times the winter's coming and we all get that little going on. Thieves chest rub is amazing. I love the top of this. If you look, you don't even have to like put it on your fingers. You can just rub it right on your chest. And this feels so, so good. If you're feeling you're getting the yuckies, this is like absolutely amazing to have. Along with the lozenges, these are the hard lozenges. They also have the cough drops. Fabulous. Or both a little different. You know, everybody likes one more than the other. I really love these. This is my favorite. So get these before winter really starts hitting so you have them in your home. Love, love, love this stuff. All right, I'm going to talk about one more thing. Thieves hand sanitizer smells great. I'm sure you all know about this. It comes in bigger bottles and it comes in the little bottles. So I refill my little bottles with my big bottles. So here's a little bottle. So I just saw a really cute tip. You can use like a travel soap dish, but this is something from actually food I had purchased and just cleaned it out, and I'm using this. A little gift for the holidays for your mail person or your nail person, gardener, anybody that you want to give a little gift to, or housewarming, you're going to a party. Hand sanitizer in this little thing. You can put the Thieves All Natural cleaner in there and make like a little stress away roll-on or something, and then I put a few of the little lozenges in here. Close this up, put a little bow on it, and voila, you have a nice little gift for somebody for the holidays. I want to thank you so much for your time today. It was a pleasure talking to you. Check out the new Thieves wipes too. They're on their way here. I don't have them yet, but they're supposed to be amazing. The whole line, they're just kind of upgrading. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation today and learned something new. Please reach out to me, Debbie Hill, debbiehill.net, if you want any more information or you just want to stay connected. I'm here. Make it a great day.